Hello all, I am Rajesh Kumar, the founder and the chief trainer of Hitunao. Welcome you all in the 5G protocol testing batch. First, we'll start with the 5G protocol testing course contents, and then we will move one by one all features. So, this course is 100% practicals. Now, I will cover the concepts of the each feature, and then we'll move on the all the configuration, the lab setup, and then log part where we will validate each and every feature. I will demonstrate you how you can validate it. I will also demonstrate you how you can troubleshoot in case any issue comes. Right? So we'll try to cover, but let's first go through the course contents. So first, we'll start with the protocol testing. What is protocol testing? What is our understanding about the protocol testing? Right, and then we will discuss about that, the type of protocol testing, the life cycle of protocol testing, right, and then we'll see all these feature. We'll also cover the different types of tools which are available in the industry for the protocol testing. So let's move on. First, we'll discuss about 5G and RSA registration procedure along with the basic troubleshooting. So where I will demonstrate you some of the case which I have observed that from the uh, lab perspective that we will discuss in the basic troubleshooting. Next, we will discuss about the LT or NRPD CCH order. So this is the feature where we will see that how G node B or E node B forcing UE to initiate the RAT procedure. Third is NRSA uplink MIMO feature. So as we know, multiple input, multiple output. So like way the downlink, we have the uplink MIMO as well. So we will discuss here 2x2 or 4x4 MIMO. We'll discuss. NRSA 2CC without measurement. Okay, when we talk about the carrier aggregations, where focus will be on the 2CC, two component carrier. And here we have the two flavor which we will discuss. Without measurement and with measurement, we will see it. Next, NRSA handover interfrequency measurement based. So again, in the handover, we will have the measurement based handover and we have the blind based handover. So I will discuss two scenario of the measurement based and we'll take 1 to 2 scenario of the blind based as well to understand what are the differences in the configuration file which we need to configure it, and then how in terms of the log we will see that blind handover is triggered or not. Same way for the measurement based, we will see what are the configuration which we need to configure from the UE perspective, the GNODB perspective, and any other we will see in the RME or the IMS, and we need to configure it or not. Next, NRSA reselection. So we'll see that how reselection can be triggered and what are the methodology for reselection. And also I will try to discuss about the 3GPP way and non-3GPP way as well. In NRSA power control, here we will discuss what are power control, why power control concept introduced, the types of power control, and how we can validate the power control and the configuration perspective. What are the parameters which we need to configure it, and then how we can validate the power control. And here I will tell you very, very important thing, that the ordinary concept which most of the people know, that based on what criteria UE decides whether they have to follow the TPC command or not, that something is new which I will tell you here. Next, NRSA two-step batch. So we'll discuss why two-step batch concept is introduced by the 3GPP and for which purpose. Next, VoLTE or the VoNR, we will discuss. Almost both are same. There is nothing changed from the configuration perspective except VoLTE works in the LTE. VoNR, voice over NR, works on the 5G technology. Next, network slicing, very, very important feature which is introduced by the 3GPP. And we will see that what does it mean by the network slicing? What are the configuration which we need to do from the UE perspective, then the core network perspective or the GNODB perspective. and how we can validate one slice and multi-slice. Next, REDCap, reduced capability. Again, it's a release 17 feature. So we will see that why 3GPP has introduced this feature and how we can serve the by reducing the capability, how we can serve the different industry requirement. The next is NTN, non-terrestrial network. So till now, most of the all the feature which we are going to discuss is based on the terrestrial network, but the industry is now moving towards non-terrestrial networks, satellite-based communications. We will see that what are the differences, what are the different bands 3GPP has allocated for the non-terrestrial and different types of satellite orbit. We will discuss it. The concept we will discuss it. Okay, and then we'll see the different parameters, set of parameter from the UE perspective and the GNOV perspective. We'll see that what we need to configure it, and then last but not the least, how we can validate whether NTN is working or not. Thank you. See you in the next module.